How's school? So. Are you on mid exam right now? PTS? No. Okay. So now we are going to talk about world leaders like in last Thursday. Now, do you recognize this man? Okay, first clue. Do you know?
Winston Churchill?
Yes. Yeah.
Churchill.
This is his book. Yeah. So now we are going to learn to write a paragraph about world leader figures. Yeah. But before that, I want us to have a vocabulary review. Okay, you can use your smartphone and open play.bookcat.com. Okay, I will put it on our groups. Yeah, it's online quiz. Yeah, not a game. So, what vocabulary we learned so far in this lesson? The leadership qualities. Yeah, like authority, visionary. Yeah. Okay. So you can enter this code. Yeah. Yeah. I will also write here, so if your friends who comes late can join us. And this is the game code, game ID. Yeah. You cannot customize your name yet. Sorry.
Langsung caranya gimana?
Hah?
Langsung.
You can here the arrow.
Bisa langsung sendiri.
Yes. Do you want to make your own name? Okay. Then start over. Yeah. Okay. Apa ini? Okay, now you can use your own name. Okay.
Sorry, gimana? Ini.
Hah?
Kalau ini apa?
Use. Can you go back to the computer? Okay. The game ID is sit away from each other because it's the crypto game. So your friends can steal your points if they know your password. So make sure they don't know your password. So I need you to move one chair to the left. Make one chair space, yeah. Just sit here. Just sit here. Then
Kom zo neer.
just one chair space, yeah. Okay. 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 I'm gonna take it.
Ja.
Okay. 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 You can hack your friends if you know their password. Seems like no one know their friend password yet. hack yourself. Okay, you can see the leaderboard. So if you want to take points from others, take the biggest one.
Yang pertama sih? Yang pertama.
Mr. Stark.
Oke.
Nah, it's okay.
Tahu nggak?
Okay. Okay. 3 more minutes. Oh. You got 2,500. Nah. If you get double points, you can take it out. game hacking somewhere.
Sama.
Yeah. Okay. So how do you find the question? Is it hard?
No.
It's hard to hack your friends, yeah?
Hacking tadi zero password.
Yes. But if you already know somebody's password, you can always hack them.
Tadi udah yang zero.
Yeah, I think Farha, everybody know her password, yeah?
Yeah.
They keep
Password. Gak ada yang nemu ya?
okay. So number one, maybe you can it's sharper on your quiz like that. Okay. Number one. Do you remember?
Humidity.
Unit. Number two. When you, yeah. Number three. Fish. Number four. Yes.
Boleh rekam?
Hah?
Boleh rekam?
Boleh. Yes. And number five? Charisma. Okay. Someone who doesn't pretend to be someone else. Okay. What do you call her? Eugene. What's the opposite of genuine? Fake, or maybe you already learned about it in G before phony. And then, huh? Certain. Then, this is it. And then, when things get difficult, but you have the positivity and you, and then assertive.
Green or
Green, yellow, blue.
blue.
So do you want to go in pairs or 3-3?
Three.
Okay. Now I want you to arrange the sentences to define further. Now, after you arrange, you can stick it to blue. Maybe you can get it. And the text can be in the middle. Or you can mix together. Okay. Those of you need to hear it. As long as it's logical. If you already fixed it, then you can use it. Okay. It's 5 minutes enough? Okay. 5 minutes, 5 more minutes. Huh? 2 minutes. You can complete that in 2 minutes? If you- Okay. You can share it to your friends. Okay.
Operasional. 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 Bisnis. Operasional.
Hah?
Operasional di pasar.
Operasional. Apa ya? Kayak kalau dalam perang itu kan kadang-kadang ada yang someone who the one who menindas yang lain gitu.
Zombie.
Iya. Kayak maksud.
Iya benar.
Ya,
Macam.
ya semacam.
Kayak.
Okay. The keys. This is the one put also in the class. Ya.
Iya.
Okay, 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes. Well, maybe we don't have to stick with it. Yeah, because this is a historical leader, yeah. So maybe it will be arranged in the timeline. Let's see.
Sorry ya. Sorry.
Yeah, everyone finish? Anna? Finish? What about boys? Do you still confused?
Iya.
So,
Are you want to continue or?
nantinya ini.
Okay. Because we are going to write in the end, and I know you need a lot of time to writing. Can we continue? Is it okay?
Yes.
to continue?
Iya.
Okay. This is a full text, or you can open your book at page 22.
Next time to learn.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you doesn't realize the answer is
Di sini. Ya, oke.
yes.
Ini berapa?
You can see on your book, yeah.
Apa sih tahu?
If you can see this one, because yeah, it's too small, you can see your books. Yeah, page 32. Student book. Yes. Okay, I will break down this into 3 structures. The first is the topic sentence and then supporting details, and the last is conclusion or concluding sentence. Yeah. Topic sentence. In the topic sentence, we usually tell us about who we want to talk about. Yeah. For example, this is Winston Churchill. Yeah. Who is Winston Churchill? Is a prime minister. Okay. You put it in the first paragraph. And then we also explain his leadership quality. Yeah. Okay. I believe you already learned about leadership quality in about last week. Yeah. Last Tuesday. And then supporting details. In these supporting details, I will make you can found a lot more for illustration, to illustrate. Is and in the situation. The situation. What is the situation? The evacuation. Yeah. The problem is Nancy had open friends and traffic to 300,000 British troops. And then the action that first taken. Yeah. You can also mark it in your book, yeah, to help you. Okay. 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 What action that Winston Churchill do in this situation? The action is decided to divide the vessel. Yeah. So the supporting details will need to be support the main topic or the topic sentence. In the topic sentence, they it states that Winston Churchill is decisive. Okay, so you put action there, and then the result, and then the concluding sentence. From the supporting sentence to concluding sentence, we have a transition marker to conclude or in conclusion. Conclusion. Okay. And now we will have chain writing. Okay. Can I make you to do in pairs? No? Yes? Do you want to pick your pairs, or I will pick it to you?
Tiga kali, tiga.
Okay. So, okay. So for the chain writing is, okay, we can write about this man. You know him? Do you know him?
Begin.
Okay. We will use the same structure. Yeah. So how it works is you will write like one or two sentences, like this group topic sentence, and then this group the conclusion. But you will do it in chains. Yeah, I will give you the cue cards. Yeah? So every group need to pick two. Okay, so it was okay. Words, what do you got?
Leadership for this
Yes, and?
situation.
What?
And situation.
Situation. Oh, so it will start with the boys and end with the girls, yeah? Now, I need you to write something like this, yeah? Okay, you can see how to write it in the page 24. You can open your book for 24. Okay. Okay, it can help you to plan your writing, okay? Okay. So this one is for the writing, yeah? I will mark. Yes. Okay. And if you need more, you can have this for planning your writing, yeah? Okay. You can use Wikipedia or internet to search about this topic, yeah. Okay. To make it more challenging, yeah, I want each group to have 5 minutes. Okay. I will use the timer. Yeah. You don't have to write a lot, just like one sentence per card, 1, 2, or 3 sentences per card, yeah.
We'll stop here. Yeah, recess is better. I said
Okay.
it, I said it.
Okay. Good, are you ready? Okay, get ready. I will start the timer, yeah. Okay, 5 minutes start now, boys. Okay, girls. Okay. You don't have to write it now, but you can plan it first. So you write on the paper that he already worked, yeah. This K. Oh, kamu nyambung. Yeah, but yeah, fortunately you have to write it on the end and this guy inside to write on the beginning, yeah. Okay, don't make it too hard, just 2 or 3 sentences. You can follow this pattern, yeah. And just pick one. Pick 1 or 2.
Sekarang krisis sudah apa belum?
Iya, kita kenal. Cuma focusing on the innovation.
Or
Yeah, I make it easy for you. I pick the topic, ya. Okay, you can do it together, ya.
Iya.
Yeah. Okay, you can write the topic sentence. Yeah.
Andy.
Yeah, it's okay. Topic sentence like who is Lady Habibie and what is her his physical quality. Like this one, yeah.
Si Bobby ini ampor saya diganti Bobby rupiah.
Okay. So this is the cheat sheet for you to work, yeah. So Lady Habibie is the third, yeah. media page.
Yang aja. Dia masih satu. Information.
Don't think too much.
Apa aja?
Just make the sentence, ya.
Iya.
You already have the topic. I already give you the topic, the situation, yeah. Okay. Are you done with the topic sentence and the situation? Okay. Guys, okay. You can just write this, yeah. It's okay. Just two sentences, and then we move to the situation. Before the situation, because it is supporting details, you can add to illustrate their leadership.
Oh, oke.
Yeah, you can follow the pattern of these steps, yeah.
It's the president who sudah
Yeah, third person.
menaikkan
Yes, nih, because you have the situation, you just write the situation, yeah. The situation, you just explain what the situation at the time, yeah. Okay. You just explain the situation of the time. Like, there's a Asian financial crisis, yeah. Something like that. Yeah.
Is it possible if I write like Indonesian financial processing 19 bisa?
Yeah.
bisa.
Yeah. Lanjutin. Jadi cuma ngajar aja.
Dan belum.
Use the transition markers, yeah, to illustrate. There's a Venezuela crisis in 1998. You don't have to work too much, yeah. Just one sentence. What's the Asian financial crisis? Oh, the Asian financial crisis made the rupiah, the inflation go up and the rupiah go down. Something like that, yeah. Yeah. The Asian financial crisis result in high inflation and rupiah collapse. Gitu aja. One sentence, just one sentence. Don't think it too much, ya. Okay. Can you write it? Yeah. Just one sentence. Don't think it too much, ya. Yeah. Start with the transition markers, ya. To illustrate. You can also use as an illustration. Yeah. Okay, it's enough. For the topic that is enough, yeah. Just one sentence or two, yeah. One or two sentences is okay, yeah. Yeah. It's actually you in paragraph, yeah. Actually, you just continue it. Use the transition marker to illustrate. Yeah, there's the Asian financial crisis in 1998. Yeah, use the transition marker, yeah. Yeah. For example, for the supporting details, yeah, like this, yeah, to illustrate. And then the event is Asian financial crisis in 1998. punya the paragraph ya. So the letter is the action that it takes and the result of the action. This is topic sentence. This is the supporting details, the first supporting details, the yeah, yes. But you need to continue form them, yeah. Don't make it too hard, yeah. Don't overthink it. Just write 1 to 2 sentences, yeah. Just 2 sentence, 3 sentence max. Yeah. You don't have to make it too hard. Yeah. Don't overthink it. while you're waiting, you can search one figure that you want to write about. Yeah. Or you're writing.
Cocok lagi tas. Coba. Yang modern.
Don't do it later, okay? Okay.
Ini sendiri nggak mas?
Huh?
Ini sendiri.
Yes. Okay. Now, are you already had the hang of the writing? Yeah. You have the illustration, yeah. This is the writing. Now, I want you to make the outline first. Yeah. You can pick one word leaders. Yeah. Anyone. Yeah. And you can fill out this outline. It will help you to write later. Okay. You can write it as the point like I did, or you can just write it as the sentence. Okay, it's up to you.
The question is kita work in first atau
Individually. Yeah. Okay. So usually, wait. Okay. So for the topic sentence, usually we ask what the leaders like. For example, oh, he is really okay. He is genuine. He is attentive, something like that, yeah. And then. Okay.
Bisa.
Lanjut lagi mati. Hah? Ya, 2 menit.
And then for the situation, you have one situation and how the leaders solve it. So, for the example,
Langsung ke situ.
Mana?
I will give you the example.
Lagi. Masuk mana ya?
Coba kalau online juga. Coba ngomong terus.
Udah sih.
Coba dapat
Apa ya?
coba posisi. Naruh.
Okay. Is it too little?
Oh iya, banget sudah.
kalau gini bisa. If they want to become agriculture.
Oh,
Direct shop, American agriculture. Questionnya gini kan?
Boleh.
Bisa.
Ya.
World leaders masih person
Mana?
who lead country
Okay.
can lead
Can you
company.
company like CEO? You can do CEO like last Thursday we talk about Steve Jobs. Maybe you want to talk about Jack Ma? Or do you want to talk about Jeff Bezos?
Biasa.
It can be
Huh?
Gimana ya?
it must non-fiction.
Huh?
Kayaknya emang gak bisa dikatakan dulu.
A leader.
Biasanya bisa.
Or you want a leader of the party? Like Megawati or SBY?
Okay, is it okay if I want to write fiction?
Okay, do he has a leadership quality? Okay, so okay. Good. Yes? There is just an example, yeah. Mine is about Alexander Hamilton. Anyone know Alexander Hamilton? No. Okay. Okay. He's one of the founding fathers of US, yeah. So, okay. Who is he? Who is he? Is Alexander Hamilton is one of the founding father of US. Yeah. The leadership quality. The leadership quality like the independent and determined leader. Yeah. This is you only have the topic sentence, yeah. Topic sentence. And then situation. Situation. Back then America was under the British rule. Yeah. And they don't have representative in the parliament. Yeah. The situation. Yeah. Just the situation, just two sentences, yeah. Nah, it's just two lines. Yeah. Don't make it too complicated, yeah.
Coba sambil dihapus dulu.
The action that you
Yang
Hamilton
udah,
used during
kemarin mah udah
the
di.
military.
Betul sih.
Oh,
You can do points like I did. You can do this sentence. It's up to you.
berapa lagi?
What the situation is the
19
independence.
menit lagi.
Okay. What did in the independence so it makes the independence happens. Yeah. So the situation independence day. Okay.
Yes.
What he did to make it happen.
Konsep action taken as it come. Nggak tahu negara juga semuanya.
Yeah. You can say that. Make the text so, yeah. Make the text so and then yes. Just pick one situation, yeah. Don't overdo it, yeah. Like for example, Barack Obama is the first African American president, and what did he do? Yeah? If I'm not wrong, he stopped the war on Iran or Iraq, yes? He stopped, Barack Obama stopped the war on Iran or Iran, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, you can study on internet. Okay, to make it easier, you can use Wikipedia, yeah? It's already, their live summary is on Wikipedia. Yeah.
disituin nggak bisa ya? Nggak bisa ini. Apa ya? Saking
So, what is he like? What do you think? Yeah, who is he first? Who is he?
The first president in the US.
The first president in the US. And what leadership qualities does he? Yeah. Or you can use, yeah. Would you repeat? Okay, this is good. For the talking section, you just state the okay. What situation that you want to pick on the Clinton?
Maybe more.
What's for? Okay, if you doesn't sure on what the situation, you can use like local leaders, like maybe the air. Yeah, it's okay. Or maybe you can use our president, like the recent president, Gus Dur. Yeah, he solved the ratio for the Konghucu, so Konghucu now a region in Indonesia, something like that. Yeah, don't write that you don't know. Yeah, or there is one like CEO. You if you want to learn about Steve Jobs, it's okay. Or you want to learn about Mark Zuckerberg, it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, or if you really into historical, yeah, like sorry, what's your name? Shaggy. Yeah, you can use Cleopatra or King George, maybe. Someone who like to watch digital. Okay. Yeah. To be honest, I pick Hamilton because I do it when listen to the Hamilton song.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Aku kayaknya bukan berarti tapi udah lagi
Yeah.
sampai sini.
Do you want to change the paper? Yeah.
Tapi ya.
Okay, it's okay you use this, yeah? You get the idea, okay? Okay, just check the outline, yeah? Just point. Just point. Yeah. Okay. If you already finished the outline, you can make it into a paragraph in the Padlet. Yeah? Do you know how to use it? Yeah? How to post it? Yeah. Like that. So, this is the example.
Kalau gubernur gak apa-apa.
Boleh. You can do governor. Governor is not easy, right? You can do governor, you can do mayor, wali kota. Yeah? So this is the example, yeah. You make something like this. Yeah. The reason that you need to make it offline so you know what you are writing the paragraph, yeah. So you don't have to go back and forth. So I want to search again about this, ya. No, kita bolak-balik. Jadi kalau itu for perencanaan, ya, and then after you write the outline, you can write the book. Like that. If you already finish the Padlet, the outline you can write on the Padlet, ya. You can scan it, or I will share it on WA, ya. Okay, can you finish it before we go home? Yeah. forget the transition mark. Ya. To conclude, in conclusion, to illustrate for the illustration. Ya. Then also simply follow the written text. If you are unsure with your outline, you can make the paragraph, okay? Huh? Resultnya, ya. What? Okay. Like, who do you think? Okay. So Trump. So what the result of the study? Yeah. Yeah. So the things are cheaper. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Okay, I will send the sample that was in the tablet to get so you can.
Subjeknya nama work users.
Yeah, nama the name of the person you write, and then your name. Yeah. You don't have to make it so complicated, yeah. You can just state the sentence. So the sentence was blah blah blah. It illustrated by his action on blah blah blah. It blah 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 itu. Ya. Okay, you can work it on the tablet. I send the. I turn on my Netflix. Search for Oppo. Iya, di sini. Sini kan ada. Maksudnya ada Oppo. Iya, I turn off my battery. You can search Oppo A8.
Oke, gitu.
Or you can use the
Kirim sih.
Di password kan.
there's the password on the Wi-Fi.
Password. It's either communication or collaboration. One of those two. I forgot which.
Oh, ini kirim.
Yeah, that's it.
Hello via the Jajaraman Super Chambers. Fun time is over. It's hard to say goodbye. Make sure to practice your English in the real
I
world.
want you to finish it today, yeah?
See you
Today.
soon.
Okay?
Jam 8.
No. Right now. Copy.
Pakai apa?
Hey, you, how everyone, having fun. Let's come together and be happier. Hey, friends, it's time to break the line, to make it fun. Move, go to the right place, and then
Oh yes, boleh. Bisa. Hah?
because everyone has to today, but I think they just have to write it in the
Okay. Okay. You can show what you said there about. Yeah.
So this one who finished it. Okay, you can do it at home, but I want it to be done today. Can you do it? Okay. And for the extra part is you need to rate your friends' works, yeah. Okay, so
Kalau itu apa? Ini itu apa?
comment on your friend's work, yeah.
Hmm.
So something like this, yeah. Yeah. Okay, you can see it on the budget, yeah. It's too small. So I will send the tutorial on WhatsApp group, yeah. What you have to know, and you have to comment on your friends, write your friends, yeah.
Bisa.
Yeah. Huh?
Enak ya, Sob?
Yeah, it's okay. Okay. Make sure you have your name, yeah? Yeah, you. Okay, so this is the end of our lesson, yeah, today. So, see you again. Yeah, maybe later. Yeah, on the next term, maybe. Okay. And for the first day, you can have Mr. Wisam as your teachers again. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone.
Belum.